Hello everyone, my name is John. Today, I will tell you how to set up uploading new contacts from the Zoho CRM system to the Telegram Messenger. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new contacts from Zoho CRM to other systems. For example, in Telegram you can receive notifications about new contacts and never miss them. Now let's move on to the setup. First you need to create a new connection. Next you need to select the Zoho CRM data source system. Next, you need to choose an action. Get contacts, new. Next you need to connect your Zoho CRM account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window we need to specify the username and password of the Zoho personal account. You also need to grant ApiX-Drive permission to work with your Zoho account. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. No additional settings are provided for the Zoho system, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. At this stage, you see data for one of your contacts. If everything suits you, click Next. This completes the setup of the Zoho CRM data source successfully. Now you need to go to the data reception settings. Select Telegram as the data receiving system. Next, you need to select an action. Send message. At this stage, you need to connect your Telegram account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window you can name the account, or just click Save. At this stage you need to copy the name of the bot, find it and run it in your Telegram. Then you need to copy the string to connect the Telegram bot and send it as a message. After you have received a response about a successful connection, we return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue the configuration. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it. At this stage, you need to compose the text of the message that will be sent to Telegram with each new contact from Zoho. In the message field, you can assign variables from Zoho. In order to do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. Note that you can use not only variables, but also write values manually. To go to the next line, use Enter. When all necessary variables are assigned, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be sent as messages to Telegram for each new contact from Zoho. If something does not suit you, click Edit and go back a step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Telegram. After successful sending, go to Telegram and check the result. If everything suits you, return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue setting up. This completes the Telegram data reception setup successfully. Now you need to enable auto update and select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.